Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi here for PrincetonTrader.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so gap down Sunday night on the Cyprus bailout news. Let's talk about this for a minute. You know, I did my subscriber webcast last night. We were trading about 33, and I told them two things. I said if you're short, if you took advantage of the move, you need to take some profits. You know, you need to do that now because this is just what you do. Trading is a business, and you get a gap like that, you take the money. That doesn't mean get out of all of it, but you get out of a good portion of it. The other thing I said is if you missed out on the move, don't short 24 handles in the hole, because the bears have demonstrated absolutely no ability to follow through on anything. Are they following through? Not really. And we're in a situation now where we have pulled back here to the 38% retracement of the 1481.75 lower band breach up to the 1558.75 highs from Friday. So 38% retracement, middle Bollinger Band right there. You know, you're in the area, you're in the zip code, you're within a couple of handles, and a bounce. So chart-wise, there may be some broken charts out there, but the ES is not one of them. This is a simple pullback to fib level and the middle band. Now, I'm not getting all bulled up here. I'm just looking at this for what it is. And the bears have got to demonstrate an ability to get back below 37 and stay there. They have to stay below 1537. They have to close below 1537. And if they get back inside the gap area, okay, if they get back above 1544 and open the door to the gap, then, you know, I said in the IM, and I said to my subscribers a few minutes ago, if they get back inside the gap, there's a good chance that by in a little while it'll be like this never happened, because the dip buyers have so much confidence that it just kind of has, the momentum builds on itself. Conversely, the bears have so little confidence that everything that happens when it happens like this, the reaction is, oh, here we go again. I'm not going to get run over this time. I'm covering. And we've seen that for about 10 handles now, up off the 29s, 10, 12 handles. So I'll be very interested to see how the day plays out. This right here, 1541, is not a position where you should be doing anything. You could short against the 44, but I would wait for it to have another test. We tested up to 43 a little bit before 845, but it's certainly not a place for a long trade. That was a few handles ago. So let's keep an eye on it. Let's look at it for what it is. We got a little bit of a break here, a little break in the market, and let's see how the bears react. Pivot-wise, the daily's way up at 1553.75, 3 days up at 1551 half. The 9-dayer is interesting to me. It's at 45 half. The 20-dayer did not hold on the way down. That was down at 31.33. But 1537, big level for me today. Where do we close? I don't care where we trade. I want to know where we close from a swing trade perspective. If we close below 37, then the bears have a chance to push down below the middle band and start to go to work on the 50-day exponential and the lower band. But this is certainly up in the air. So we'll see how it plays out. But everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi for PrincetonTrader.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.